Okay, so I just took everything out of the shelves and these storage containers were drying overnight because we are finally going to organize the top shelves for dry goods. Starting off with the tallest, adding in spaghetti, sticking on a label, next we're adding rigatoni, next is panko, and the next jar are some rolled oats, okay, so before I do the rest, I want to lay out where I'm going to put everything on this shelf. So I'm thinking we'll put the pasta in the back alongside the spaghetti, and next is the panko and the oatmeal. Okay, I still have a lot more, so we'll get to the next part in part 4.